my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the break, continue and pass statements in Python. Let's dive in. Break statement. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely. Let's say you have a loop running and under a criterion condition, you want to stop the loop. This is where the break statement comes in handy. For example, for I in range 1 to 11, if I is equal to 5, break, print I. In this example, the loop runs from 1 to 10, but as soon as I equals to 5, the break statement terminates the loop. The output will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Scenario. Imagine you are searching for a specific student in a list of students. Once you find the student, there is no need to continue searching. You can use the break statement to exit the loop as soon as you find the student. Tip. Use the break statement to improve the efficiency of your loops, especially when you know that continuing the loop is unnecessary after a certain point. Continue statement. The continue statement skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration only, and the loop proceeds with the next iteration. For example, for I in range I to 11, if I is equal to 5, continue, print I. In this example, the loop will print numbers from I to 10, but it will skip printing 5. The output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Scenario. Consider you are creating a list of the students who passed an exam and you want to skip those who didn't pass. The continue statement can be used to skip the students who failed. Tip. Use the continue statement when you want to skip certain iterations in a loop based on a condition. Pass statement. The pass statement is placeholder that does nothing when executed. It is used when a statement is syntactically required but you have nothing to write. For example, for I in range 1 to 11, if I is equal to 5, pass, print I. In this example, the pass statement does nothing, so the output will be same as if pass wasn't there. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Scenario. Suppose you are designing a program and you haven't decided what a certain function should do. You can use pass to create a placeholder function. Example. Def feature function pass. Tip. Use the pass statement to write minimal code structure without any functionality for the time being. I hope this explanation helps you understand break, continue and pass statements better. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.